begin our project. To begin, we'll open the Project menu and select the Project Information command. A dialog box asking us to enter a start or finish date appears on the screen. Our first step is to enter a date. We'll enter a start date if the project must begin on a specific date, or a finish date if it must be completed by a certain time. For our project, we'll enter a start date of 12/1/98 and click OK. Since we are entering a start date, Project 98 will calculate the project's finish date. Next, we'll enter the task to be completed by typing a list in the Gantt table. This list will enable us to see if we've included all the tasks needed to complete our project. It's a good idea to enter tasks into the approximate order they are to be completed, because it will make it easier to see when a task should begin or end, and what needs to be done next. So let's click on the first cell under Task Name and type Plan Newsletter, and the data will be typed in the entry bar. Next, we press Enter, and Project 98 automatically enters the duration of 1 day and moves to the next cell. The duration, or the time it takes to complete a task, is measured in weeks, days, hours, and minutes. 1D is the abbreviation for 1 day. Additional abbreviations we can use are WK for week, HR for hours, and MIN for minutes. We will estimate how long it will take to complete each task listed in the Gantt chart and enter those time frames in the duration column of the Gantt table. We'll open a file and view it in the Gantt chart table. Let's open the Project Tasks file from the ViaGraphics Learning folder. To do this, we'll click the Open tool. The Open dialog box now appears. To open our learning files, we'll click the drop-down arrow for Look In, then click the C drive. Next, highlight the ViaGraphics Learning folder, then click the Open button. The individual files contained in the Learning folder are listed for us, so select Project Tasks and click Open. The tasks to be completed for our newsletter project have been listed for us and appear in the Gantt chart table under the Task Name column. All of the tasks have a default duration of 1 day. We can adjust the duration of any task list in the Gantt chart table by typing a number and the proper letter abbreviation in the duration field. For example, let's change the duration of the second task, Decide First Issues Theme, to 2 days by highlighting the duration cell next to the task and typing 2D, then pressing Enter. Now let's create a